Right, so we're using the cosine rule. So the cosine rule is a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. Right, just pay attention. So all you have to do is fill in the formula really. So we're looking for a, this is the bit that we're looking for. Right, so just fill it in. So this is angle A. The angle A, this is side A. Shh, look it up. Side A is opposite angle A. So it's 5 squared is equal to, this is B and C, or B and C, either side. So B, 3 squared plus 4 squared, minus 2 times 3 times 4, cos A. All you do is fill in the formula. Square everything. 5 squared is 25, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. Minus 2 times 3 times 4, well 3 times 4 is 12 times minus 2. So multiply all of that. So 12 times minus 2, minus 24 cos A. Alright, we'll move the 9 and the 16 across. Well, the 9 and 16 is 25. Move both of those across. So we get 25 minus 25. Okay. Alright, so cos A. Alright, so 25 minus 25 is 0, is equal to minus 24 cos A. So what do we have to do? We have to divide both sides by, we have to get rid of this 24, don't we? So divide both sides by minus 24. So 24 divided by 24 is 1. 0 divided by any number is 0. Okay, so here we've got, so then we'll just write down cos inverse. We have to find A. Cos inverse, put in 0, equals. You can also find, you don't have to use a calculator to do this. You can also use the unit circle. This is 0, that's 90, 180, 270. So this coordinate here is 1, comma 0. Cos followed by sine. So what's the cos of 0? This is 0 degrees. Cos of 0 is 1. So if I use the calculator, inverse cos, and put in 0, bracket equals, I get 90 degrees. Obviously I was wrong. Yeah, no, that's correct. 90 degrees. 0, so cos, I'm looking at the wrong one. Cos sine. Inverse cos 0 is 90 degrees. And if you look back at the diagram, 3, 4, 5, do you remember that, those dimensions? 3, 4, 5 is a right angle triangle. So that's 90 anyway. Right, so we'll look at any other questions from that page? We'll go on to the next page. If there are. No, there's not. So pick another question from that page maybe. So, question 5. Question 5 is where you know the angle and you have to find the far side, the one on the far side. So you know that that's 85 degrees. That side is 12, that side is 15. And you have to find the opposite side, so this one's easier. So you just have to find A. So A squared, B and C, or B and C, either or. You look it up. So 15 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 15 times 12 cos of 85. Alright, just get the calculator right. So 15 squared, 225, plus 12 squared, 144. Multiply this bit, minus 2 times 15 times 12. So minus 360 cos of 85 degrees. So key all that in again. So 225 plus 144 minus 360 brackets cos 85. Right, so a squared is equal to 337.6239326. Write it all down and then get the square root sign, square root button. So a is equal to the square root of that. 327.6239326. .3745 to 2 decimal places, 18.37.